So my mom keeps all of her makeup in this drawer. She has a lot of lipsticks, doesn't have any eyeshadow or highlighter or blush as such. We're gonna have to do something using these products. This is my mom's makeup and today we're gonna try and make a look out of these products. My mom is a working woman, so she doesn't get a lot of time to use a lot of products. She uses a cream-based foundation as her base and sets it up using a pressed powder. Then she defines her brows using eyebrow pencil. Then she applies mascara and then comes lipstick. So let's just get started.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean. Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
If you guys like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button down below. If you're new to my channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button to get notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!